What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the NVIDIA unable to download recommended driver and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first and foremost step, we need the run command. So either we can search over here for the run command like this and you can open the run command, or you can use the shortcut from the keyboard, press Windows and R key all together. You have to press it together, so you'll be getting the run command like this. Both are fine. Just get into this and here we have to type %local app data % and go for OK. Once you get into this, we just need to keep scrolling down and navigate to the folder named NVIDIA Corporation. Now from here, navigate to the NVIDIA app. So right now from here, you can see there is a folder named Safe Cache. What we need to do is we just need to right click on this one and go for the trash icon. Once it is deleted, we just need to go back and now we have to search for the add or remove programs. Just go over here for the add or remove programs and directly navigate to over here and search for the NVIDIA app right now. And once you find the NVIDIA app over here, just go for three-dot menu, go for uninstall. After uninstalling is done, we just need to go back to the Google Chrome over here and you have to click over here in the Google Chrome and try downloading this one. So try uninstall and downloading back the NVIDIA app. Most probably that's going to fix the issue up. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.